Good morning everyone. I am Puja Behera and today I am going to present about plastic welding. In this topic, my contents are introduction of plastic welding, classification of plastic welding, advantages of plastic welding, disadvantages and application. First, introduction of plastic welding. Welding is one of the most commonly used and most dependable method of joining thermoplastic material. The two plastic pieces is brought together at the time of welding. A jet of hot air is liberated. This melt part to be joined along with the plastic filter rod. As the rod starts melting, it forced into the joint and causes the fusion of parts. But now types of plastic welding. First, hot gas plastic welding, laser plastic welding, hot plate plastic welding, ultrasonic plastic welding, and friction welding. First, I will discuss about hot gas plastic welding. In hot gas plastic welding, the process uses steam of heated gas, usually air, to heat and melt the thermoplastic welding rod. This is the image of a hot gas plastic welding. This is a welding gun and this is the thermoplastic welding rod. Now, laser plastic welding. Laser plastic welding is a process of bonding plastic using focused laser radiation. It directly applies its power on the surface of material. This is the image of a laser plastic welding. Hot plate plastic welding. In hot plate plastic welding, it is a thermal welding or technique of capable producing strong weld in thermoplastic parts. This is the image of a hot plate plastic welding. First, heating plate will heat the face part of the thermoplastic material. Now the heating plate is removed and by applying some external pressure, it will join the thermoplastic parts. Now see the video to understand the hot plate plastic welding and hot gas. Now discuss about ultrasonic plastic welding. In ultrasonic plastic welding, it is a joining of thermoplastic through the use of heat generated from high frequency mechanical motion. The mechanical motion along with applied force create the frictional heat at the plastic component. The plastic material will melt and form the molecular bond between the parts. This is the image of a ultrasonic plastic welding machine. Now see the small video to understand the plastic welding. Now friction plastic welding. In friction plastic welding, it is the process that generates heat through the mechanical friction between workpiece in relative motion to another. This is the image of a friction welding. Now advantages of plastic welding are very fast process, very clean process, relatively low cost of equipment, high quality welding for a wide range of thermoplastic. Plastic welds are much lighter than mechanical faster. Disadvantages of plastic welding is the weld is permanent. We cannot able to open or reseal in the same way. Hot plate welding is processed relatively slow. Applications of plastic welding are it can be used in plastic repairs like plastic tank construction, boat construction and repairs. Thank you.